The Conwy Archives service is open to the public and you can visit us at the Culture Centre in Conwy. We hold historic records relating to Conwy County. We can help people with their family, house and local history research. Some of you watching may have been to our public search room, but we thought we would give you a behind the scenes tour too. The main area that the public will be able to see and use is our search room. Here you will be able to sit and view documents which can be pre-ordered when you're booking your visit with us. We do accept walk-in inquiries, however we would recommend booking in advance to ensure a space to view documents. The search room houses 2 computers for public use with access to Find My Past, Ancestry and the British Newspaper Archive. It also houses 2 microfiche and microfilm readers. Our bookshelves in the search room hold various items such as our paper copy of the catalogue, local history books, street directories, and behind the glass case we have some of our rare books. In here we have our digitisation room, which houses our new scanner. This allows us to digitise more of our records so we can make them more accessible. This is our air handling unit. It allows us to keep an eye on and control the environment of the strong room. There are sensors dotted around the strong room which helps keep an eye on the overall environment of the strong room, as well as individual data loggers within a few of our storage boxes to be able to see how the documents are coping within their own environments. We have a way to monitor this system on our computers and are able to keep track on whether we need to turn on the air handling unit. For example, if there is a significant change in the temperature and moisture levels within the strong room, most of the time this isn't necessary, and the strong room is a passive environment that doesn't need heating or dehumidifying. Here is the strong room, and this is where we store a majority of our collections. We are happy to have such a large space that gives us the ability to look after important historical documents that relate to Conwy County and its people. We also house some of the museum's items here, and they also have their own dedicated space within the strong room. We have plenty of space here in the strong room for our future accessions and are currently looking into expanding our collection to better tell the stories of all the people of Conwy.